1UP Dri-Buff Burnishing Cream is a revolutionary floor maintenance product that cleans, polishes, and protects floors in one step. It is a viscous gel that is applied with a floor machine and spreads quickly over a large area, eliminating the need for traditional mopping and bucket cleaning. Dri-Buff can be used on any floor with a finish and is particularly helpful for quick fixes of worn areas. You can use it to clean the entire floor or just touch up worn areas. Dri-Buff eliminates the need to handle and clean dirty mops and buckets. It restores the gloss and creates a more slip-resistant surface. Dri-Buff helps you comply with new LEED certification standards. Here is how easy it is to use. First, dust mop floor and remove any gum or heavy soil. Equip floor machine with red, buff or white pad, preferably a hog's hair type. The faster the machine, the finer, lighter color the pad should be. Apply a ribbon of Dri-Buff about 3 inches long or 4 nickel-sized dollops in front of the machine and spread it over an area of about 1,000 square feet, or 120,000 square feet per bottle. No need to work a small area as with spray buff. Keep moving as fast as you can walk. Dust mop after burnishing if soil is present. Pads can be cleaned by tapping out loose soil.